Hi guys, welcome back to Viology. Today I am bringing you 9 things that you need to get rid of out of your kitchen. And if you would like to know these 9 things, well, stay tuned. Welcome to Viology. Viology. Okay guys, you know our kitchen is where we love to go in to prepare meals, make sure our meals are there and very good for us. But the last thing we want to do is be in a kitchen with 9 things that we shouldn't have in it. So guys, what is number 1? It is the old worn out dishcloths. Get rid of those. Use those to wash the car, to wash the dog. Take them away. Go and purchase you some new items. And like me, guys, I do purchase once a month. I take whatever could be damaged. I move those to my cleaning supply bin. And the ones that's in my cleaning supply bin, if they have been used multiple times, it is time to trash. I do get rid of them. So I do change my dishcloths, and I only use white hand towels, drying towels, and cheesecloths. Yes, cheesecloths, guys. I use those in my kitchen. And plus, I get rid of them once a month and renew with new ones. It's absolutely cheap. This is a little something for you. Use white washcloths. They're much thirsty. And when I say thirsty, you know when you want to drink something, you're so thirsty, you drink. That is what you want your dishcloths to do. You don't want to hold up your dishcloths and you can see right through. No. So I use washcloths because I like the thickness. So guys, ditch all of those old dishcloths out of your kitchen. So now let's move on to number 2. So guys, in my kitchen, I only have one of each one of these items, and that is your hand mitt. I only have one of each. I have my mitt and just my square mitt. So I don't have all of those, and I do change them out with the color of my kitchen, but I don't go and buy 5, 6, 7, 8 my mitts. I don't ever. In my drawer, I only have one mitt and one of my square mitts. That is it. So having excessive mitts in your kitchen, guys, declutter that. Get rid of that because it is not needed. How many pies are you going to take out your oven at one time? I mean, if you have 20 mitts in your kitchen, are you going to take out 20 pies at one time? No. So get rid of those. You need only 2 mitts in your kitchen at all times. So guys, that is number 2. Get rid of those mitts. What is number 3? It is the utensils. You know how you can get the cute little jars and put up on your counter and you think it all so cute? It's not. Declutter that. No one wants to see your utensils. Take those off of your kitchen counter. Place those in your drawer. That is something in my kitchen you do not ever see, and I do clean with me, I do cook with me, and you never see that in my kitchen because I have them in the proper place and that in my drawers. So therefore, if you have a container and you have like 50 spoons, 10 spatulas, what is the purpose of that? So declutter that and get rid of that and put it in the proper place, because if you do remember, when you cooking and cleaning, if your utensils are on there, it's catching everything. And if you don't properly clean them while you're cooking, you are taking that and putting ready to your food. So that is the reason why I don't do it. They go in the drawer, and when it's time to use them, I pull them out of my drawer. So guys, get rid of that clutter of utensils on your countertop. Okay, guys, what's the next one? Cookbooks. Get rid of all of those cookbooks. If you're not using the cookbooks on an everyday basis, and even if you are, store them in an empty cabinet where you can pull one out and read it. In my kitchen, I usually have one cookbook out at a time, but I always make sure that one page matches my kitchen decor. But what I found out by doing that, I was messing up my cookbooks because when I cook, it is deposited on the pages. So I no longer do that in my kitchen. So guys, remember that. You can damage your nice books by having your books out. So keep them in a cabinet so you keep them absolutely beautiful and germ-free and grease-free. So hide your cookbooks. Okay, guys, I am so guilty of this one. It is usually in your kitchen, you have what you call a junk drawer. Well, I'm guilty. Yes, I am. I have a junk drawer, and it's usually E6000, super glue, letters for words, glue gun, glue sticks, and I usually just throw it in that drawer. So I am so absolutely guilty of this one, and I will have a video coming up how to declutter your drawers in your kitchen. So that is coming up soon on my channel. So guys, the next one definitely is decluttering your junk drawer. Take out things, get the nice little bins. They do sell some of the clearance at Dollar Tree, and when I do mine, I will show you the bins that I do purchase to do mine. So guys, that is that one. Declutter your junk drawer of the things you don't need, or place what you need in the proper containers so it doesn't look really like a junk drawer. The next one, guys, is one thing I really don't like at all. I do have some of these things in the area, and I hate it with a passion, and that is having appliances on your kitchen counter. I don't like it. I really don't want anything except a beautiful flower, maybe a vignette. But as far as appliances, I hate it. On my counter right now, I have a can opener. My husband has his toaster oven. We have the air fryer. My son has his Ninja. So what I have been doing lately was take all of the appliances and put on the very back wall in my kitchen. So when you walk in my kitchen, you will see nothing but all beautiful granites and my stove with my vignette that I keep on my stove. And all of the appliances that we have will be back in the little nook, and really no one can see them. But guys, that is the next one. Declutter all of your appliances off your countertop. Okay, guys, the next one, I am not so guilty on this one at all. The next one is, guys, decluttering inside of your cabinets. You have the mismatched cups. You have some cups or glasses that has been broken, so you're trying to hold on to one or two and it has no match to them, or a plate and it may have a chip on it, but you're still using it. Well, I am guilty of the chip because I have porcelain white everyday dishes, and going in and out of the dishwasher, I have 2 out of 24 that are chipped on it. And I have moved those several times, but they end up back. So guys, I am guilty of only that one. But any of the mismatched items, if you don't have a match to them, give it to Goodwill, Salvation Army, or whatever, and then walk in Salvation Army or in Goodwill and get them at a very good deal on a thrift price, and you will have absolutely the pair or 4 or 6. Or like me, sometimes I can find 12 of the same thing. So guys, get rid of the mismatch items out of your cabinets. So guys, this is more of the farmhouse type housing of what they would do in the kitchen. And it is open shelving. Get rid of. I think the open shelving to me should be display a beautiful place on an easel. But to have my everyday cookware, no. Everyday dishes, no. So that is the next one. Dish the open shelving for cabinets to hide all of your items. Because once again, guys, remember when you have open shelving and when you cook, all of that is depositing on your items that you just wash or just pull out of the dishwasher, and that is a no-no. So why make yourself do an extra job? So guys, dish the open shelving and pick up some cabinets. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The ninth thing, guys, and the last is seasonal items, items that on your counter that you don't like. That's even if someone gave it to you as a gift. If it's not pleasing to you to have in your kitchen, get rid of it. Find another place, or pull it out when you know they're on the way. Display it while they're there. When they walk out the door, you take it and put it back up. So having items that you know you really don't want is just like what I said about my appliances. If it's items that you really don't like, but they were a gift, only take it out when the person is there, or it's up to you rather what you want out in your home. It's not for someone to question you, well, oh, what did you do with my gift? That's kind of selfish. So guys, let's go back through a rundown of the 9 items you need to get rid of out of your kitchen. So number 1, guys, wash the dishcloths. Get rid of those old dishcloths because, guys, we don't want those nasty dishcloths and they're old and they're worn out. Get rid of those. Number 2 are the cooking mitts. You only need 2 in your kitchen at a time. You don't need 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You don't need that. You need 2. You have 2 hands only. Number 3, guys, is the utensils. Stop putting all of those utensils, every utensil you have ever owned ever since you got into your very first home, and now you've been in your home for 38 years and you still have all of those utensils sitting in the container. Get rid of them, okay? Get rid of those. So guys, number 4 is your cookbook. Make sure if you use one cookbook, use that one cookbook. Get rid of the cookbook, but to make sure your cookbooks stay in very good, perfect condition, store those in a cabinet. That's where you know they are always in a safe place. So guys, what is number 5? What I was guilty of, decluttering your junk drawer. Your junk drawer, guys, declutter it because it's clutter, okay? It's clutter. So number 6, what I also said that I am guilty of that I don't like in my house is excessive appliances on your countertops. Get rid of those. Find some way that you can put them up. They're not seen all the time. Okay, so number 7 is all of those ends and odd pieces that you have of your dishes. Get rid of them. Go and find some matching sets that will make your cabinet look all so beautiful. The number 8, guys, is open shelving. Take the open shelving away and get cabinets, because in the long runs, guys, it is so much needed that you don't want all of that stuff deposited on it. And if it's sit there all the time and you never use it, it's collecting oil, dust, grease, and that's nasty. And guys, what is number 9? The items that you really don't want on your cabinet, although it can be a gift, Get rid of it, okay? Just get rid of it. So guys, those are the 9 things that you need to get rid of your kitchen. And if you like what I'm doing on this segment, go ahead, leave a comment and tell me what are one of the things out of 9 items that you are guilty in your kitchen. So guys, please like, comment, share, thumbs up my video. Remember to turn on your notification bell. And guys, like I always say, I gotta go. I will be back. And until the next time, keep that kitchen decluttered. Bye.